Okay, I'm over here on Magsaysay in Hansen. I checked out a few places. You'll see it on the video. A couple new places. Not a lot, but things change, names change, and also new bars opening. More closing than opening, but they keep opening. And I'll just show you what I got. I hope you enjoyed the video today. A little bit of Magsaysay at night. Don't worry, I didn't get locked up, but just showing you the police station, the vehicle out front. Go down here at Hansen Street. They got a lot of little food places still at the food court. Kind of at the night marketplace, but these things are here all the time. Open, that is, all those places. You got Jaren's Resto Bar right here. New dentist office there. I believe that used to be Omar's Cheesecake. Most of the rest down here is the same. On 6th Street I'm at now. Went Magsaysay, Hansen, now 6th. The same. Like I said, these two Eagle's Nest and Jaren's Resto Bar is over there. Jaren's used to be down a way, they moved up. Been some juggling around town, bars moving. Different spaces. Hang out there. Resto Bar. And Froggy. Haven't heard of that one. They keep changing names over here. You never know. And then they got a new one over here called Overdose Club. And right here. Overdose Club. Right here. I'm going to show you that one. Right here on Hansen. So you're on Hansen. You want adult entertainment? There you go. At Overdose Bar from 7 p.m. till 4 a.m. Free appetizer per bottle if you buy a bottle of liquor, I guess. And then they got a little cook place over here that are cooking street food over here. Meat's kind of like I showed on Grill Street. Got that going on. It's kind of early. A little after 7. Extended in right there. There we go. Extended in. They got a little restaurant. Hello. And down here is Club Carrie, whatever it's called. K-Bar, I think they call it. K-Bar. It's Carrie. That's coming in right there. That's another adult entertainment right down from the new Overdose Club right here on Hansen Street in Olongapo City. Hello. So that's the other adult entertainment here on Hansen. And then right after that you get back here in the dark residential area. So I'm not going to continue. Little sorry store over there. And but yeah, Club Carrie right there. Or we call it K-Bar. Club K-Bar. you here every night?
Yes.
Every night? Y'all cook it. Okay. Big hot dogs, huh? So you cook on order, right? You cook on order?
Order?
When you order, you cook, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. I'll get some sometime. Thank you, thank you. Hello. How are you? I'll be back. Is closed for the season. Closed a few weeks ago. They're using closed, I believe, during rainy season. Open back up. Their live band entertainment and stuff. But yeah, Canto's closed. Probably be back up in September, October. I forget when they reopen.